Alright, I'm making this video because I have Dirt Rally for ps4 and I do not have the advanced wheel settings option in my menu. So I'm showing this hopefully to Codemasters or anyone that can help me. So the game's loading up. Alright, now I go to options. I go to my controller. It says choose preset up at the top right. Oh my god, hold on. Choose preset. I click it. And you see also there's no advanced wheel settings, just advanced settings. So I check preset, it says Thrustmaster, that is what I have, a Thrustmaster. So I say yes to the Thrustmaster. Are you sure? Yes. And then I go here and look, nothing. Advanced settings, vibration and feedback, but no advanced wheel settings. I cannot set my wheel up. I cannot calibrate my wheel. Nowhere to calibrate the wheel. Please help me, Codemasters. Please help me, community. Again, I have no force feedback menu. Advanced settings for my wheel. Gone. Please help. Thank you.